beautiful people. Is there one and only Lady Jill? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my daddy people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My Agbonga people, today's topic now about one commissioner of Imo State. A commissioner of Imo State, Chief William Amadi. The cash away in the for his office, like the video when he video himself, the video now don't go viral, the video don't full social media, full everywhere, where in the Jogodo as in there be 3 men for there. So those 3 men, they Jogodo different girls there. So in now one of them, then he can do the video. If you not see the video, a whole chief for that matter, a whole commissioner of Imo State, and I for the office there, there for the do one, my people. This one not good though. They see this video so. I they go now say, I still drive my Oma Jeep reach Instagram today. As I reach Instagram now, I see the video. Now I shock Tala center and say, what are they see so? Waiting me they see so. I say, God, wetin come dey happen for this world, my people? Wetin dey happen for this world? A whole chief, e office, he build a separate room where be say, then go dey Jogodo different girls for there. Na it there they do for there. So una know say if they come on those kind of commission, if they come their office now, we must first their secretary go first call them say, so person they come so that make them quick enrich themselves. See the way God now come to expose this whole commissioner of Imo State. Now God exposed like this, so my people. I shocked though when I see the video. I say, a whole elderly man like this. The other one they inside there, they pay one girl there. They kill wawa the girl there. Another elderly man will be a beer white, dog full everywhere. All because of money, and all those girls now they go get boyfriend though. No, the one we get the Jogodo different elderly men there because of money. See the way God now come to expose a whole commissioner, my people. I shocked is when I see the video. I say this world not balance so. It not balance at all. This one a whole commissioner of Imo State. See the way God take expose them now in the video itself. Who can remove this video now put for her now? If it be saying that somebody go collect this video for your phone, because you do this kind of thing for your phone, you just leave them. You know, even say maybe you even delete them, you leave them for them, or maybe they see all those girls. And the other girl almost say in the video, when the other girl come know, that one come run one jump for the other man body, because that one you climb the other man, they kill wawa the girl there. They kill wawaram. Anybody way, not this one not be saying a joke. Anybody way need the video, me you just private chat me. I will drop my number there. If you need the video, just contact me. Then I will send it to you, because so many of you are going to feel saying a lie, and maybe not lie. Lady J they talk, not be lie. The video there with me can't be. So if you need them. Una to just add me for WhatsApp, because some people will be say if I say me they come collect video, though they ask me for my comment section. Then no, don't ask me there. I drop my number. You can add me on WhatsApp, because I cannot send the video to your comments on my YouTube there. YouTube don't allow those things. So if you need the video, just private chat me on WhatsApp. Then I will send it to you on your WhatsApp. May una see a whole commissioner like. The thing shocked me. This man, they really need to expose them very, very well, because how can the old elderly man go to do this kind of thing, my people? Elderly man for that matter. Una go build una office, una make sure so una get private water for the kelewawa all those young girls there. See the girls where they kelewa for the young girls wey still get bright future, all because of money. Though they do anything where they like, all because of money. Just see the way the theory of the just open their. Don't open John Thomas open. Don't open Bekus open. All of the just they kill what they are saved. They Jogodo they are saved. There, my people. Now the matter when I see the video, the thing he surprised me. Say, This life no balance. If I dey always dey talk and say this life e no balance at all. E no balance o. See Iziegbe o come out that day now. Everybody dey shout say Iziegbe o, Iziegbe o. See different one wey person come dey see now. Different one. This one now, elderly man wey be say im get post for Imo State, the AO commissioner. Na im dey do this kind thing so. Okay, wetin come make this elderly man now come begin the video himself? Wetin make am video himself now? My people, una go fit like understand wetin make am video himself. Nobody know because im dey there, the rest dey jogodo there in the video, and im no wear anything too in the video for there. Wetin you come dey do for inside there? Because your own dey there too. Maybe you nana, the other one dey under you there. They carry your John Thomas, they put am for mat there. Now wow, my people. Now wow for wire road o. Nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. This Musa sef, im don see. So tey Musa even come tire. Musa come tire, my people. Like the thing dey surprise me o. There are some kind things wey person go see sometimes, e go shocktalize 10 times. Like the thing go dey surprise am say, hey God, which kind of wahala be this one? This man now he go get grandchildren. His wife now don see everything now. Because this video wey don full social media and full everywhere now. All the bloggers don dey carry am. You no know say this one up, e pass Joromi. This one pass Joromi o. Not be the way we dey look am so. This thing now, where this video now go now, his wife now go don see am. His children, they go just dey disappointed on him. They will be disappointed because now know say all those big men they know they use one waka. Many of them now go they do all those things. They renew their power. Yeah, now what is some of them they do? Now those guests don't know. They go get boyfriend will love them. No, they not go want stay with their boyfriend. They want begin they jogodo different men they go. Then they cause all those things. You understand me, my people? Eh? You can imagine a whole commissioner for that matter. A whole commissioner, the jogodo, different guests they go for there. Eh? You can imagine. You can imagine, my people. So now the matter where they grant now be this one. No, I say make I come tell you now. So anybody will need the video, now for you to just add me on WhatsApp, then I will send it to you. You understand? Hey, so now so the matter just be. There's no two ways about that one. So more than not gonna go the right for comment there. So I need them more than just add me on WhatsApp. Then I will send it to you people. Can also not be everybody go don't see the video. And the matter where they grant now be this one. Please share this video for me. Always put thumbs up on my video anytime you watch my video. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you.